In our road test and quick looks, we talk about the features and qualities of automobiles. What one will do, what another won't, balancing cost against benefits, and so on. Practical things. But all that practicality can get to be a bit weighty. So we sometimes get crazy and test cars that aren't practical. Exotic cars are an example. This time we found a vehicle that's a slap in the face of practicality. It's not an exotic car, but an exotic off-road vehicle. The Lamborghini LM002. If you follow car designs closely, you've realized that exotic does not necessarily mean pretty. That's especially true in the case of the Lamborghini LM002. This vehicle is just plain ugly. And we don't mean cute ugly like a Volkswagen Beetle. We mean threatening ugly, like looking down the barrel of a loaded shotgun. Part of that stems from the sheer size of the LM002. It's 6.5 feet wide, 16 feet long, and 6 feet tall, with a 9-foot 10-inch wheelbase, and it weighs in at 5,990 pounds. It takes a lot of horsepower to move all that weight. The LM has horsepower to spare thanks to the 5.2-liter V12 engine that also powers Lamborghini's other supercar, the Countach. 6 downdraft Weber carburetors feed 48 valves to produce 455 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque. This takes the LM to a top speed of 125 miles per hour, and it returns 0 to 60 times in the 9-second range. That power reaches the ground by way of massive Kevlar-reinforced Pirellis mounted on 17-inch wheels. But why would anyone need tires made with bulletproof materials? It could be because in the environment for which this vehicle was originally designed, anything this big and fast is immediately shot at. The Lamborghini Militare 002, you see, was originally designed as a high-speed reconnaissance vehicle for a Middle Eastern army that decided not to adopt it. So Lamborghini added a sumptuous leather and wood interior with all the modern comforts and lots of sound insulation, and now sells this vehicle to the same Middle Eastern sheiks whose army turned it down. While the sheik may find luxury to rival his nicest Mercedes, he'll probably stick to the Mercedes and let his servants do the driving here. But driving the massive LM002 is not the handful it appears. Steering is responsive and precise. Amazing. As is paying for it. At $126,000 a copy, it's the most exotic truck in the world. So this is a vehicle that is exotic, but not pretty. It is, however, exciting, unique, and extremely expensive. Besides, would you tell this face that it's ugly?